So today we're gonna make whipped cream which is my favorite thing to top chocolate cake.
But normally we put it on strawberries.
No, cake is better.
Strawberries is better.
Cake, strawberries. Cold bowl.
Pro tip, use a chilled bowl.
And this whipping cream.
2 tablespoons.
Then we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Put it in, Victor.
Okay.
Put it in 2 times. Put it in. Okay.
2 hours later.
If you want, you can put the 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we have to mix it on high speed. Then you have to mix until it makes soft peaks, but not too long,
or it becomes butter. Okay? So not too long.
Who wants some of this? Okay, so now we only have to put it on the cake.
But normally it goes on here.
No on cake.
No on here.
No! I said I had to go on the cake.
Stop!
No! I said on the cake. Cake.
Stop. Kids, don't try this at home. We're trained stunt performers.
I said when I run it. No! No! Yeah. Hey, on the cake. I like it better.
Please subscribe at our channel.
And if you prefer putting it on cake or on strawberries, tell it in the comments.